Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Hey buddy. So thought we'd do a young FN2 meet since it's been 1 year that I own the car, and we never really see FN2s get together nowadays. So few of the people I know that has FN2s came out, and we're just chilling for a bit. Weather's not that great, but
Only I'm from now. Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems, look, should I be waiting?
join me on another episode. Welcome. Don't feel so well today, so I'm not my energetic self. I think I'm recovering from the flu or something. My throat's sore, but nevertheless, we're still going on. Got this brand new arch flare from Cox Motor Parts. You can check the color on them, they look good. If you own an FN2 for more than like 2 weeks, you'll probably experience what I've experienced where arch flare or something falls off. There's these clips that keep it on. Lucky enough I was managed to order one and get it replaced, so that's getting done now. The bumper needs to come off and all those things. But cool thing about when you get it shipped, you can get it from Honda as well, but I just went that route before I knew about the Honda route. So let's just deep dive. So today I've got to get this replaced, and that replaced I do have someone helping me, but he doesn't want to be on camera, so don't stress about that. You would have had this problem. That's the front of the arch, shows these 3 yellow clips. Then you've got the pushing clips. Pushing clips that are over there. Give me a second. So you've got the pushing clips that are over there, then you've got 2 hangers. You can see on the other one hanger's already gone. Then that's where the mud flaps is. Old one for comparison, and you can see here the hanger's gone, that hanger's gone as well. And then obviously there's no clip in there, and the piece for the clip to sit on here for the front side is all off, and then it's shortened as well. This is little black spats under the front of the car that I'm also going to take off because they irritate me, because you think you straight but you're not really low. Pick up this front lower bar that's in silver as well, in a bit better condition as mine. All the clips are intact. All the clips are intact, as well as the end one right here, because that's always the thing. And don't ask what's in the tequila box. Bumper is off now, and yeah, the car without the bumper on. So the bumper obviously has to come off because the lower part has to go on, and yeah, hopefully this is the last time this bumper has to come off, because it did have to come off for the fog lights to get fitted. But it is what it is, part of the game. I just want the car looking really nice again, and this is the first time seeing the car like this. So Thursday night I was really tired and I tried to work on the car, and this fell through. I finally spotted it, so now it's out of the car, thankfully. You know this happens to you as well, so don't give me nonsense for it, you know. One side only, because the bottom of this bumper scraped and messed up really badly. So yeah, you can see how it's scraped at the bottom. Probably that one will get scraped as well, but not as bad. So yeah, those new clips come in handy, and that's all of it from the back, and that's in, so that's gonna be all good. These new clips came in handy, and then there's old clips kind of perished, so you're gonna need new clips. So this for the other side, and there's just extra, kind of a while you're there, better get it done kind of thing. So that's the side that's not as damaged. Then you you got a screw in at the bottom. This just has to go on. Then we're done. And yeah, I'm happy. All finally look good. You can throw that away. That's the part number if you need it. Ideally, when you do this job yourself, it is a two-man job. Yeah. All is better now.
Baby, all I really wanted